Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can remove videos we have reposted from our TikTok profile. Alright guys, first of all, let's open up our TikTok application in our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile, click on this profile button, and we can go to this section where the reposted videos are located. And for instance, I'm just going to remove this reposted video from my TikTok profile. So we can click on the video and click on this option, and here we have to click on reposted option, and we just need to click on remove repost to remove this video from our profile. Okay, and I'm going to check it. Alright, and as you can see that the reposted video has been removed from my TikTok profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove videos we have reposted from our profile on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.